Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making butterscotch ice cream at home. Creamy, rich and full of crunchy praline. This easy no-machine recipe is perfect for summer dessert. Let's start the recipe. First make the butterscotch praline. In a pan add 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon water. Cook until the sugar caramelizes. Caramelize sugar carefully to avoid burning. Add 3 tablespoons cashew nut and mix gently. Pour into baking paper and let it cool completely. Now prepare the ice cream base. In a pan add 2 cups milk and let it boil. Add 3 bread slices. Three tablespoons sugar. 2 to 3 drops yellow food color. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Cool the mixture completely. Pour into a blender. Cool the mixture before blending. Add 1 teaspoon butterscotch essence and 3 tablespoon cream. Blend until smooth. Break the praline into small pieces. Break praline into small even pieces. Pour the mixture into a mold and add the praline pieces. Cover with baking paper and freeze for 6 to 8 hours. Freeze properly for a perfect texture. Butterscotch flavor comes from caramelized sugar and butter notes. Praline adds a crunchy texture to smooth ice cream. Bread helps create a creamy base without heavy cream. Homemade ice cream needs no machine. Homemade ice creams avoid preservatives. You can control sugar levels easily. Milk provides calcium and nutrients. Fresh ingredients make it healthier. Your creamy butterscotch ice cream is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy with family. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more easy dessert recipes.